countries that need visa to enter Botswana, the steps you should follow to apply for visa, type of visa, and their current prices in 2024, some general requirements for visa application, other vital tips to fast-track the process. So I must say that with this information, you shouldn't suffer visiting Botswana, which is located in the southern part of Africa, just by following these tips. Hello, welcome to your long-awaited video on the visa application to Botswana. If you like what we're doing, kindly subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment in the comment section below. Quick disclaimer, I don't work for any government institution. The information here are purely based on my own research after contacting some immigration officers for clarity. Okay, let us dive in. How do you know whether you need a visa or not before coming to Botswana? Tap the link to be sure. If you are applying online, the moment you type your country in the box like this, it will inform you whether you need a visa or not. You can see it shows that I need a visa to enter Botswana. Check to be sure whether you belong to visa-free countries. Notes: you can apply online or go to the embassy or consulate of Botswana in your country. A friend can also help you apply for a visa here in Botswana. Yes, it is, possible. To apply online, the link will be under the video. Tap the link and follow the process. I will make a separate video to guide you step by step as to how to fill the form. You should note that before you book for an appointment at the embassy or consulate of Botswana, you need to know the visa type you are applying or going in for. We have business visa, visitors visa, investors visa, tourist visa, transit visa, employment visa, and study visa for students. Remember, each of these visas have their own requirements. Let us know which of them you would like us to make a video on. If we have many of you requesting for one, our next video will be on that. Type your request in the comment section below. Let us now look at how to apply for any of these visas when you are outside Botswana and your country is not part of those countries allowed to enter Botswana without visa. So generally, you will follow these simple steps. For one, contact the nearest embassy or consulate of Botswana in your country and book for an appointment. 2, visit the embassy of Botswana in person. Don't send anyone. And there you will be issued a Botswana application form. We call it form 1, like this. It looks like this. Okay, complete this form and sign it at the end. Submit other supporting documents that are requested from the Botswana embassy or consulate depending on your visa type, and then make a payment. These are the prices of the various types of visas. You come to business visa. For a single entry for a period of 3 months, you will pay 500 pula, that is $50. For multiple entry for a period of 3 months, you will pay 1,000 pula. For multiple entries for a period up to 6 months for 1 year, you will pay 1,500. An investment visa, for multiple entry for a period up to 6 months, you will pay 1,000 pula. For multiple entry for a period up to 5 years, you will pay 2,500. And then when we come to tourist visa, for single entry for a period of 1 month, you will pay 300 pula. For multiple entry for a period of 3 months, you will pay 500 pula. Visitors visa, for a single entry for a period of 3 months, you will pay 300 pula. For multiple entry for a period of 3 months, you will pay 500 pula. For multiple entry for a period over 3 months up to 2 years, for dependents of a resident, you will pay 1,500. Okay, transit visa, for a single entry for up to 1 week, you will pay 300 pula. For multiple entry for a period of 3 months, you will pay 500 pula. For multiple entry for a period of up to 3 years, for tour operators and transporters, they'll be paying 1,500. We come to employment visa. I am here to get the full information on employment visa and that of study visa. I am yet to interview some people, working and schooling here in Botswana so that they can share their experiences with you. So stay tuned. After payment, you have to wait for a response. You will receive a response from the embassy of Botswana within 7 working days. After that, they will send you an approval or denial letter depending on their decision. Okay, remember, visa fee is non-refundable. If you receive an approval letter, you can travel to Botswana with your approval letter. You will be issued your official visa printed at the airport or immigration, the ports of entry. Let us take a closer look at the general, visa requirement. You need your national passport. That's the one. Note the expiry date on your passport shouldn't be less than 6 months. Make sure that it is about a year or two to be on the safer side. Your passport should have 2 or more unused pages. You need a copy also of your passport data page like this, and make sure that it is certified by a relevant authority. You can go to your immigration office, that is if you are outside Botswana. But when you are in Botswana, normally what I do is that applying for someone, you need to go to your embassy or consulate. We go to our consulate embassy to do that for your document to be certified. Very important. Then the passport photograph, you need that is photo taken at least within last 6 months. A cover letter explaining the purpose of your visit. Those are the things needed. And you also need a flight, itinerary, a return flight ticket, evidence of sufficient funds, an accommodation proof document such as a letter of invitation, a rental agreement, or a hotel. You also need your COVID-19 vaccination card, or show a document that you don't have COVID-19. Also, yellow fever vaccination certificate and travel health card. All supporting documents must be in English, and a transcribed document must be certified by appropriate authority. In Botswana, all supporting documents must be certified by appropriate authority. There can be some other additional documents that the embassy of Botswana needs, okay, depending on the type of visa you apply for or you are applying for. So make sure that you contact the embassy before submitting your document. The duration of a Botswana visa depends on the type of visa you are applying for. Finally, let us look at one essential tip to fast track the process as promised. If possible, let someone from Botswana apply for you, especially for visitors visa. It makes things easier, okay? So all you need to do is to send your required document to the person online, and bingo, you are good to go. It is important to know that you can only use a single entry visa for one entry and exit to the country of Botswana. Once the visa has been used, you cannot use it again. Finally, we will be coming your way with videos on each of the visa requirements. Let us know in the comment section your interest. Support us by subscribing, commenting, and liking our video. We will be consistent this year, to all of our family out there. Happy New Year. May your dream be realized this year. Peace and joy.